Welcome to our journey towards tranquility. Today we'll explore holistic methods for melting away stress, embracing the calm that resides within us all. As we navigate through these serene practices, remember, the path to inner peace is as unique as you are. Let's embark on this soothing voyage together. Stress, an unseen force, can shape our lives in profound ways. It's the body's response to any demand or challenge. But not all stress is harmful. It can motivate and invigorate us. However, when stress becomes a constant companion, it's time to seek harmony. Let's learn to recognize the signs and reclaim our calm. Breath, the essence of life, holds the key to instant calm. Let's delve into the art of breathing. Gently inhale, filling your belly with a draft of peace. Hold for a moment of gratitude, then exhale slowly, releasing the shadows of stress. The 47-in-8 technique, a whisper of tranquility, awaits to soothe your spirit. To use the 4-7-8 technique, focus on the following breathing pattern. First, empty the lungs of air. Second, breathe in quietly through the nose for 4 seconds, holding the breath for a count of 7 seconds, exhaling forcefully through the mouth, pursing the lips, and making a whoosh sound for 8 seconds, repeating the cycle up to 4 times. In the stillness of the present moment lies the peace we often seek. Mindfulness and meditation invite us to pause, to dwell in the now, free from the tangles of past and future. Close your eyes, let the gentle hum of existence fill you, and find the serene anchor within the vast ocean of your being. Nature, in her boundless wisdom, offers a bouquet of tranquility. Lavender whispers of sleep, chamomile hums a lullaby of calm, and peppermint breezes refresh the spirit. Embark on an aromatic journey where each scent cradles you closer to serenity. Remember, nature's embrace is gentle, yet powerful. Creativity, the soul's melody, plays the tune of tranquility. When words fall short, let colors speak. When the world buzzes, let music narrate your silence. Whether through strokes of a brush or the rhythm of words, express your inner world, for in creation, we find a haven of peace. As our journey nears its end, remember, the essence of stress relief lies in the harmony of body, mind, and spirit. Integrate these practices into the tapestry of your life and watch the transformation unfold. Your path to peace is yours to walk, and we're here to guide you step by gentle step. Thank you for sharing this moment of peace with us. If our paths to tranquility have touched your heart, consider joining our community with a like and subscribe. Together, let's cultivate a garden of calm in the chaos of life. Until next time, I am Adam Sage saying be safe and take gentle care of your soul.